Welcome to our Tarot Tips series, How to Read Tarot Cards. Be sure to watch the whole video for some of the pros and cons of reading tarot for yourself. And stay to the end for the collective tarot card reading.
This series is an introduction to our comprehensive tarot training courses.
And make sure that you catch all of the videos in this series with the link below for all the juicy tarot goodness.
So whatever level you are, from beginner to advanced, we always bring something valuable to help you grow and improve your practice.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenedAcademy.com,
home of Zened Academy.
As you guys come on today, let us know where in this world you are watching from.
Or out of this world. And if you have any questions as we go, be sure to drop them in the comments.
Yes. So there kind of used to be this sort of superstition running around the tarot world.
Hi, I'm a superstition. I'm running around.
Exactly like David. So that you should never read your own cards. But that really, honestly, it isn't even on the table these days.
There's no superstition on the table these days.
It's not a thing anymore. It really is not. It's gone. It's old. Today, it is very common to read your own cards. So the question becomes, when is it a good thing? And when is it not so good of a thing? So we're going to give you one pro and one pitfall. Ready? Here we go.
Here we go. First, the pro. Reading your own cards will help you to expand your intuition and learn to trust yourself if you do it right. We tend to see ourselves reflected back in whatever we look at in the world. They say you don't really believe what you see, you actually see what you believe.
Think about that.
So in a nutshell, the world is your mirror.
Yes, it's kind of the same thing with tarot, okay? Inside, your intuition already has the answer, but you just might not be consciously aware of it yet. When you pull a card, before you even, but when you pull a card, before you even know how to read traditional tarot meanings, it can bypass your conscious mind and tap right into your intuition.
That's one reason that these are called tools of divination. You're divining that answer from inside to your conscious mind. It's like a personal mind hack. Suddenly, your answer is right there in bold living color. It's like creating a deeper relationship with your inner knowing, which can play hide and seek sometimes, right? Reading tarot has a lot to do with bringing that hidden within you out into the light, making the subconscious conscious.
Yes.
Wake up. So what is one common mistake that newbies make when they try to read tarot for themselves?
Well, I'm going to tell you. First, they are often just not objective enough. They really, really want to know that their love interest is the one, but deep down, they know they're not the one.
That's just one example.
But the problem is a beginner tarot reader may not be neutral enough. They see what they want to see. It takes a little discipline to take a tarot punch.
Boom!
You know what I'm saying? A lot of you are nodding out there.
Cards cut deep.
I can see you. So it does. It takes a little discipline to take a tarot punch when you pull that card that is not playing.
Not playing today.
No, intuition often gets pushed off the runway by the diva of the ego.
I did not block the runway this time. So it can get cray-cray because they may extend this madness into searching for the answer that they want to hear by slipping and falling down a Google rabbit hole of meanings, trying to find the one that fits what they really, really want.
Right.
Tell me what you want. What you really, really want.
And when that doesn't work, they try a different deck. Like, this one's not telling me what I want. Let's try this one. Of course,
or this one.
This is the Santa Muerte deck. I promise it's not going to be any nicer.
Yes.
So they try this different deck and start a whole new reading. Of course, if you've been down that rabbit hole, you know that tarot just don't play that, right? And it just gives you the same reading, different cards.
Yep.
That's it.
So now it's time for the collective card reading. We're going to pull one card for everybody out there. And if this happens to resonate with you, fan-freaking-tastic.
So
if it doesn't, that's cool too.
I am just going to fan out my deck and stick my finger right here and pull one out and see what it says.
Put your finger in the card.
I'm disturbed a little bit. So what I've pulled for us today is the Knight of Wands. So let's see what this might be telling you as a collective is to engage since I'm pulling this for the collective, I want to read it a different way. I don't want to read it like, oh, you have this young, exciting person who's coming into your life that's going to ignite your creativity and your passion and your sensuality. I'm going to look at
That's this girl.
Yeah. I'm not a Knight of Wands. I'm a Queen of Pentacles.
But she ignites my passion.
Let you know, Queen of Pentacles. So the Knight of Wands is usually a temporary person in your life. Okay, so that's why, I'm not your Knight of Wands.
No, you're not.
So the Knight of Wands is probably telling us as a collective that it's time to step into your passion. Be on the quest for your own passion. Be that champion for your own creativity and your own sensuality and what you truly desire for yourself. Because the Wands energy is about what you desire for yourself. And that's the meaning I want to give you as a collective right now. Sometimes it's very hard to step into our own passion because we're afraid, right? I mean, it's the scariest thing to kind of step into that uninhibited, passionate self-expression.
Yeah, and own it.
But the Knight of Wands, if it was the literal person, is someone that steps into your life and kind of gives you that courage to explore that adventure and that stuff you wouldn't do on your own, but you just need a little push into your danger zone. And then, you're like, okay, I can do it. It's not so scary. The person may not last,
right?
But the impression might last.
Think of a Lucifer morning star from Lucifer. That would be someone that kind of fits this, I'm going to spark you up and tell me what you truly desire, what your deepest desire is.
It's all about desire. So, tribe, go out there, pursue your desires, be your own Knight of Wands.
And let us know in the comments if that resonates with you. And if you want to share your story, fantastic. Also, don't forget to catch all of the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of tarot basics.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about the types of tarot decks that are out there and which ones you should be using for your particular style.
If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zened Academy, where you can connect with our chosen family of like minds, take advantage of PhD-backed education and weekly practices, with tarot being just one example, where you can level up your skills with our comprehensive tarot training, as well as advanced mediumship training, psychic development, self-growth, from wherever you are in the world. Just click the link in the description and see if it resonates for you.
Yes.
Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
Hit it hard. And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on,
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your skills, your mind, and take everything to an entirely new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on all of our other videos. You can probably find them over here, over there. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can find out. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.